M0FXB, welcome to my channel, looking at Hamshackhotline's system here, and in their wiki page they have a section that talks about linking to RFs. So if we quickly look at their RF page here, go documents, phone book, services, RF links. So look, people can link their Hamshackhotline system to their Allstar node. And if I find one down here in the UK, I'm sure I saw one. 9, there, look, there's some UK ones here, look. HubNet, Freestar. Okay, you can see that. So, how do they do it, or how has 2E1 SCR done this? So, let's go back to their wiki page, which is a link on their site. And on the here you can see I've got my WinSIP open and I've got my Allstar node turned on. So it's just a normal Allstar node like you get from G7RPG, or you can get homemade ones, and there's other people selling them on eBay. And normally you would just use it, and you'd use it with Supermon, wouldn't you, to connect to different places, or you could DTMF in. So this sort of links you to their Hamshackhotline system. So let's look at their thing here, and it tells you how to do it. HH for Hamshackhotline RF linking. Click this and they've pretty much done all the work for you. There is a section here, I'm going to show you how to do this, where you create a string that you have to send to them in a ticket. We'll do that after, but I'm not actually going to link, but I'll still show you how. So, and obviously I haven't done this, so I'm going to just do what they've told me to do here, and then you can do it and let me know if it worked. So we're on WinSCP. That's a free download. Just put into Google WinSCP. We're logging into my node. Let's log straight in because I know all the passwords. Of course, you're going to have your own password. Then we're going to go into the first section here, which is IAX conf. See the way they say IAX conf? Right, so look down. If you can't, it's in asterisk. If you can't find it, then just keep clicking up and down here until you do. But anyway, here it is here. IAX conf. So I'm going to double click that. Okay, now you've got to be careful what you edit here, because it's it'll probably automatically save the changes, so be very careful. So I'm just going to add new strings in. I just think that's the easiest way to do it. So it says here, add this section in first. So I'm going to go right there, copy, and I'm going to go right to the bottom and just add it in. Let's have a look now. I'm going to add it in beneath this one here. So I'm going to click here, go down one, I'll go down two, and I'm gonna paste. Okay, like so, and it says here your call sign must be match, yeah? Username equals your call sign. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in here. Let's just properly read the instructions. Yeah, so it's telling me, and tell me if I get this wrong, but my call sign has to go here. So I go M0FXB, okay, in the caps, that make sure that's a 0, and I'm going to put my call sign in here where it says your M0FXB, okay, and then yeah, equals username equals, and it's my call sign. Okay, I'm going to save that. Okay, right, I can't see anything else I've got to do there. Now we're going to go out of this file and we're going to go into ext. So let's find that extensions conf. There it is there, and it says it here, example extensions conf. Here it is there. You see that? So we go extensions conf. Remember, I learn with you. If I don't know what I'm doing, good. That's the fun of it, is learning. So now we're going to just do the same again. Now you've got these other ones where it's been added for IX client, phone, IX, RBT, radio. There's all other ones already been added. So we're going to add one more. I'm going to go all the way to the bottom. I think I'm going to add it. I think I'm going to add it under here. So I'll leave 2 gaps, and I'm going to copy all of this. Okay, like so. I'm going to copy, and I'm going to add it here. Paste. There you go. It's in there. So now we're going to read what it tells you here. So this must match the context equals parameter you use from above. So I've got a feeling I'm going to have to change all of these numbers here. That's what I think. So let's have a look. Have a little read. Yeah, so as far as I can see, these should all be my node number. So we're going to put them in. Because my node number is 539013. So I'll go all the way down and do that. Right, we've added that in, we've saved it. Now it says here that, see it says here HH phone here. This must match the context equals parameter you use from above. Now look up here, context, we've already done this, HH phone. So that all matches, so hopefully that's all good. I did put my node number here as well. So that's all good. So I pretty much think that we've done everything we need to do in our actual node in WinSCP. Now they do say, we ask that you set your PTT command to be *99 and release to be hash in your repeater comp file. So let's have a look at that. So I can't see that in there. I've had a good look. Look, repeater, go here to repeater comp. And I've had a look from head to toe and I can't find where that would go. So someone let me know. This is like I said, a learning video. I'm sure it's in there. Maybe there's some string or some text that needs to be added for your PTT command line. But that's okay. You know, we're just showing you what I know so far. We can close out of that. We don't need to make any more changes now. And then we'll just look here about how they want you to populate, because you have to now open a ticket and ask for an extension. So you know how to open a ticket with Hamshackhotline. You just go to their main page, help desk, and then open a new ticket. Obviously you should have already had an account with them at this point, and then you can just open a ticket. And then one of these will be ask for a new extension. Okay, so that's that. So now look at how they say to create this string. So they need the dial string. It says here what they need. So for example, your call sign. So here where it says AA9XYZ, that'll be your call sign. And your password, so the password that would have been in there as well. And your FQDN was AA9XYZ.com. Not really sure what that means. Does it explain that? Someone else tell me, because I can't see that. And your Allstar node. So the only thing I haven't got is the FQDN.com. Does that mean you have to have a domain? Possibly. Let's just go back. 99 HH. Right. To create a connection to HH, you first need to have committed an Allstar node. Asterisk is needed to connect to the HH system. HH system is based on Asterisk as well. There is plenty of documentation online about that. Also, we ask you on your Allstar node, start node. So I don't. The only bit I don't know is what is FQDN. So there you are. So learning. Let me know. I don't really plan to actually do this, but I thought it'd be interesting for people to see that it can be done. So 73, thanks for watching my channel. All the best.